Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ashan and welcome back to my YouTube channel Gulf Vacancy. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am gonna share with you vacancies for sales representative, male staff helper, telephone operator cum customer service, car washer, administrative secretary, admin assistant, accountant and mechanical fitter. So stay with me till the end of this video. Share your CV to the email IDs mentioned in the given slide. Kindly do share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press bell icon so that you will get the notification of new videos on time. So let's start. Sharjah based company having a vacancy for male or female sales representative. Nationality has no bar, anyone can apply. Company is dealing in sunglasses and optical. Salary package is 3000 dirham to 5000 dirham. Apart from salary, candidate will be given commission. Hundred male helper required in Dubai-based manufacturing company. Salary will be 1240 dirham. Apart from this, free accommodation, visa and transportation will be provided by the company. Candidate must be able to read and write English and should be available in UAE for interview. Employer has no issue with nationality. Anyone can apply. Freshers are most welcome. This post is for telecom operator cum customer service. Work location will be Dubai. Industry type is telecommunication. Freshers candidate can also apply but should have bachelor degree. Share your CV now and grab the opportunity. Dubai-based company Car Hub Auto Accessories LLC needs a staff for car washing. Salary, accommodation and incentive will be provided by the company. This vacancy is for admin secretary. Candidate must have 2 to 5 years of experience. Job location will be Dubai. Candidate must have good knowledge of the subject and be able to maintain and record real estate activities as well as have a good computer skills and be able to interact with tenant and maintenance contractors. Dubai-based company having a vacancy for admin assistant. Only male candidate can apply. Candidate must be able to speak in English and able to use computer. Salary is 2500 dirham, but there is a margin for negotiation. This job is for accountant in Dubai based company. Candidate must have experience of 2 to 5 years. An IT company experience is a plus point. Our eighth and last vacancy is for mechanical fitter. Company is located in Dubai. Salary will be discussed during interview. Candidate having work experience in the marine industry will be preferred. Drop your CV now on the mentioned email ID. So that's enough for today. Thanks for watching. Inshallah, see you again in new video with more vacancies. Till then, bye bye and take care. Stay home and stop COVID-19.